So gonna be making some menudo today. Menudo's pretty good for family gatherings or parties or get-togethers, holidays. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna use today. So yeah, this is pretty much everything I'm gonna be using today. So as you can see, I got some beef tripe, menudo de res. You can get it cut up or not cut up. This was cut up, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it a little bit more because this is kind of big anyway. Smoked paprika, ground cumin, chili powder, ground pepper, lemon. I usually use limes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use lemon. That's all I got. Menudo mix, pata de marrano, pig's feet, not salted, hominy, salt, onion, y cilantro. And yeah. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and open the pata de marrano, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them out really good, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and boil my pata de marrano for an hour and a half, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and let it boil for an hour and a half. Just make sure that the water's covering up the pata de marrano. Okay, so while we wait for that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the menudo de res. I'm gonna rinse it off, and I went ahead and rinsed them off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of them, like the ones that are a little. And I'll be right back. It's been an hour and a half, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my menudo de. I went ahead and added just a little bit more water just to make sure that it's all covered up. Now I'm gonna wait an hour and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that it's been an hour, I'm gonna go ahead and add my hominy. I'm gonna add 3 cans of 25 ounces, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it in there now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my menudo mix. Chili powder. Ground cumin, ground black pepper, salt, smoked paprika. So just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up and wait an additional hour. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try the menudo. Gonna add a little bit of cilantro and some onion. I'm gonna add my lemon. Mix it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and try. Super delicious. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try the pata de marrano. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching.